This morning we're gonna make the next best thing. Macaroni and cheese pizza. All you really need is 3 simple ingredients: pizza dough, a box of macaroni and cheese, and shredded cheese, all of which can be bought at the store. Start by greasing your pan. My go-to is always olive oil. Then on a separate surface, we're going to roll out the pizza dough. If you have a pizza roller, use it to help you out. I'm using my hands because I couldn't find mine, and yes, I do actually have one. I just couldn't find it. Make sure to sprinkle some flour on. I accidentally put a bit too much on my first batch, so I had to add a second one. Now it's time to transfer to our baking sheet. We're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a par bake of 2 to 3 minutes. The next step is to cook the pasta. The box mac and cheese will normally have instructions on how to make it on the side of the box. I would recommend using either shell pasta or elbow pasta. In the off chance that you do not have instructions, put it in a pot of boiling water and let it sit for about 8 minutes. The pizza can turn out very bland with just the pizza dough, macaroni, and cheese on top. So if you'd like to, follow the directions on the box on how to also make the cheese for the mac and cheese box. Drain your mac and cheese, and then follow any additional instructions on the box. Once your par bake is done, it's time to assemble the pizza. Drizzle some olive oil on top, then layer the mac and cheese. Then last but not least, add mozzarella and Colby Jack and other Mexican-style cheeses. This will help enhance the mac and cheese. Then put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And now you have your macaroni and cheese pizza. I strongly recommend putting seasonings such as Italian seasoning and garlic powder on top. I hope you enjoyed this episode of In the Kitchen, and stay tuned next time for a brand new recipe. For Flyer News, I'm Tyler Garofalo. Safe cooking, Flyers.